Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change a YouTube channel name. Before we start the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. First of all, open any browser and type studio.youtube.com. On the left side, you will see lots of options. Scroll down and go to the customization option. There, you can also change your channel banner and logo. Now, scroll down to the name section. Here, as you can see, there is a name option. You can change your YouTube channel name twice in 14 days. Click on the name box, delete the previous name, and type your new name here. After that, click on the Publish option from the top right corner. Now, click on View Channel. It may take a few seconds to change, so refresh the page again. As you can see, now my channel name has been changed. So friends, this is the way how you can change your YouTube channel name. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.